えっここかな Okay, I'm ready. Oh, it's very hot. It's very, very hot. I should start the engine as soon as possible. Okay, now, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay, I'm backing up. I'm backing up. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. As usual, we are headed to our dog trimming salon. As usual, there are two boys coming toward my car. I have to be careful. One of the two boys had a cigarette or tobacco in his right hand, and I wonder if he smokes. These days, not as many people smoke, right? Not as many people as we had before. Okay. Oh. It's really hot today, isn't it? You don't understand how hot it is, right? Am I look okay? I don't want to be seen from this side, but there's nothing I can do about it. Actually, I bought a new stand or holder for my iPhone when I videotape myself while driving, and I touched. No, I don't want to touch this. Okay. It has noise, right? I bought a new one. It's about 2,900 yen on Amazon. I happened to find it the day before yesterday or last night. I forgot. Yeah, it came today. Okay, it has just came, and I checked how it went a little while ago before getting in my car, and it took me some time to adjust the perfect place, adjust how I can use it. I don't know. My sentence doesn't make sense, right? Yeah, I know, but it takes time. It took time for me to adjust it so that it could fit in the best place. Oh my goodness, what are you doing? A traffic jam? But I think there's no car on the right lane. And what was happening? Okay, like the other day, okay, the last time I videotaped myself while driving, that road, the far right side of the lane was crowded with cars turning to the right. And what happened now? The car in front, some cars, one of these cars in front, throw away some trash, a piece of paper or something from their car. I can't believe this. I never throw away trash outside, but some people do, right? I can't believe this actually. Okay, I'm gonna wear my sunglasses. Is this mic working? I hope so. Did I touch it? I hope not. Okay, and this is the best smartphone folder to be used in a car. Is this the best? Okay, at the moment, but I'm still looking for a better one. Okay, but rather I'm looking for a better mic, because I think that this mic, the sound is a little bit muffled. Don't you think so? Um, so I'm sorry. And this mic is listening to what I'm saying right now. So I don't think it's very good for me to say something bad about this mic because it's working, right? So I'm sorry. But okay, to tell you the truth, to be honest, I want a better one, less muffled one, and I was looking for some mics, and I even watched some YouTube videos on mics. Some mics can be used in a car, and but I decided to make do with this. Is it okay? Make do with or make do with? I decided to use this one for a while to see how it goes. Okay. I'm pretty considerate now when it comes to shopping because I used to shop a lot, okay? Not big shopping, but small ones, okay? Very frequently, like small things, something which cost around, let's see, less than 1,000 yen, okay? It's not expensive, but I would do a lot of shopping because I was a shopping addict. I was addicted to shopping, so that's why. Because it feels so nice when I get the package, okay, and when I open the package, it makes me feel so good, so excited. I really love that kind of feeling, and my brain remembers how nice it is, how excellent it is, how ecstatic it is, and it makes me want to shop more, right? But now, and I was a careless shopper also, okay? I decided to buy something, okay? And I think at that time, okay, I thought that I might have a similar thing or exactly the same one at home, but I didn't care. I just wanted to place an order. So that's what I wanted to do. And after that, after I got the item that I had ordered, and then I realized that I had exactly the same one somewhere at home. I should have looked for it first, but I couldn't stop myself from buying it anyway because it made me. I knew that it would make me feel so good. But now, the same feeling. I um, I'm sorry. It's a very crucial moment. Okay. Um, yeah, same feeling actually attacks me, but I try to feel calm. Okay, I try to feel calm, and it's the. I know that it would be the fastest way for me to um, I don't know my needs. I don't know which verb I should use. Um, feel my needs. Is it okay? Feel my needs. Just clicking on the item, and yeah, it's the easiest way. It's the fastest way. But because if I have the same one or similar one, or even some other things that could be used for that purpose, okay, then all I need to do now is to look for it, right? It must be somewhere in my house, but I just can't find it because There are so many things in my house. It's totally disorganized. So that's the problem. But now, okay, now, just before placing an order, clicking on buy, okay, on Amazon, for example, I should stop. The signal is yellow. Okay. Um, I try to remember where it might be in our house, and then um, I try to find it first and foremost. Okay. And then most of the time, I can find that one in my house, or I could find the other one, okay, the other one that could be used for that purpose. And I'm kind of like it. I mean, I'm kind of liking it. I mean, this way, I feel much better now. So, and it can save my cost, it can save my savings, and this is win-win, right? So, I don't shop as often as I used to, and I love it. And I sometimes um, try to think a lot so that I could. I mean, I could. No, it's not totally DIY, do it yourself, but oh my goodness, you're very dangerous. Um, it's not totally DIY. I'm creative. I'm a creative person, so I love DIY kind of thing. But